Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how using cryptocurrency is just as easy as using email or your traditional bank account. Now in email, we have an email address, and let's say we wanted to send a message to someone. We input the recipient's email address, the message we want to send them, and generally it's as easy as clicking the send button to send that message. In traditional banking, obviously we have a bank account, we have a balance, and if we want to send money to another person's bank account, we have their bank account information, like the recipient account, the amount we want to send, and generally at the click of a button you can send. Now this varies a lot between banks, and I know I'm oversimplifying it, but this is basically the same concept. In cryptocurrency, you also have an account. You have a balance. If you want to send money to someone, you have a recipient account. Let's say you want to send $5. It's generally as easy as clicking the send button. Now, these are pretty much the overall same concept. You have an account, a recipient account, and you send money. It's different from email in the sense where you're sending a message instead of sending money, or this one's dealing with fiat dollars, or this one's dealing with Ethereum Classic or Bitcoin, for example. And with cryptocurrency, it's generally accessible to everyone. There's very low barriers to entry. Anyone could create an account. With a bank, there's obviously, not everyone can make a bank anywhere in the world, depending on where they are, and infrastructure lacks throughout the world. So, cryptocurrency definitely has a lot of awesome features to, just get started using it. And, it's not scary, guys. It's really the same thing. It's just as easy as input who you want to send to, what's the amount, and send. Now, as far as the backend technology, there's no reason to really talk about that to the general end user. Now, if you're a developer or any type of like software programmer, engineer, whatever, definitely get involved into the communities and learn more about blockchain technology. The Ethereum stack. Definitely encourage you guys to look into that stuff. However, if you're just a basic end user, this is really all you have to. This is really, how you use cryptocurrency. Same thing. Email address. Okay, you got your account address. Bank account. You got bank account. What are you sending this value? You're sending that value on cryptocurrency. It's really not that complicated. Now let's do another little comparison here. So, if you didn't know, banks and cryptocurrency have what we call hardware wallets. Now, a hardware wallet is basically a physical device that holds my account information and private keys. Now, let's just say this is my debit card, for example. It holds my account information and key to sign transactions. With both of these, I could go to a merchant and sign transactions. I can even do online shopping. So banks and cryptocurrency, they both have hardware wallets. Obviously, we would call this maybe, let's say, a credit card, but it's technically 100% the same thing as a hardware wallet. Just properties might be a little different. They might look a little different, but they do the exact same thing. Same thing like with a bank account. Maybe your address just has numbers and letters, and your other account just has numbers. It's really not rocket science, people. So, and another example is, I have a phone here. You access your bank account through your phone, right? You're going to look up your balance. You can send money to other people. You could get third-party apps that make sending transactions a lot easier. For example, like Venmo, PayPal, whatever. But a lot of those are always connected to your bank account anyways. It's the same thing for cryptocurrency. There's hundreds of cryptocurrency wallets out there for Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin, and they all have loads of different experiences and features. I definitely encourage anyone watching this, go to your app store, download a wallet, create an account, and just see how easy it is. And you'll notice on a lot of cryptocurrency wallet applications that allow you to create an account, back up your private key, keep it safe, and definitely experiment. So I really hope this demonstration um, help educate a little bit on the similarities of traditional banking and cryptocurrency. I think there's definitely, when people hear cryptocurrency, they get kind of scared. They're like, "Oh, cryptocurrency, cryptography, and blockchain. Oh, I can't wrap my mind around it." But it's like, hey guys, like, do I have to explain to you how an ACH electronic transfer works in a bank? Nah, you just have an address or account and you send away. It's the same thing with cryptocurrency. So, hope this video provided some value to you guys out there. If you think this demonstration was effective, especially for incoming new users, definitely tell me what you think, and I hope this could bring value to you, anyone watching. Take care.